Previous we discussed about the features of urban planning. Now come to the house characters and how they have made the houses. Residential buildings built according to the plan. Most of the houses in a high level built for the protection from the flood. Foundation of the houses were very deep. Each house had 12 rooms and courtyard, private wells and toilets, and houses had the drains connected with street drains. House drains are connected with street drains. Entrance to the house were from the narrow lines which cut a street at right angles. Kitchen was placed a sheltered corner of the courtyard, and storerooms and well chambers were there. Chambers means rooms were. Well rooms are settled there. Most of the houses were made of brick and wood. House had doors, windows, ventilations. Most of the doors and windows open on the side of the streets. Then next come to the monumental architecture. Monumental architecture means great bath and granaries. These two are very important for the monumental architecture. Great bath we already studied that. It has a large rectangular tank in a courtyard surrounded by a corridor on all four sides. Most of the time this great bath used for the ceremonial, religious ceremonial bath, and the tank adjacent with a well provided the water for the tank. Then flights are there, that flight of steps are there to get inside the tank. So that is the great bath importance given. Granaries means granaries found in several sites. Mohenjo-daro also found, Harappan civilization, Lothal and Kalibangan, everywhere the granaries found. We studied that granaries were 2 rows of 6 granaries. Granaries means storeroom. In today's language it's called a storeroom where the surplus food grains are stored. So that were in a row of the 6 granaries. South of the granaries at Harappa, working floors consisting of rows of the circular brick platforms. Then the floor were meant threshing the grain because wheat and barley grains were found in the floor only. That means rooms, most of the time rooms were used for threshing. According to today's floor mills were not there. With a hand they were threshing the grains. So according to that facilities only granaries were built up. 2-roomed barracks were there, or accommodated labours were there, and location of Harappa near the river Ravi suggests that food grains were brought to the place by boat. Both of the civilization near the river Indus and river Ravi, so water transportation might be possible there. So the grains were passed or brought by the boat service, and it built on a raised platform to protect it flood. The granary had a ventilation to prevent grains from become mildew-wet. Mildew-wet means getting decay. When there is no windows and doors, the granaries will be hot and the surplus food grains will get damaged. To protect from the food from damage, there was a ventilation and well planned granaries and a great bath built at the time of the Harappan civilization. Now come to the trade.